Hi, this is Abhishek, your CAD buddy. Today, I have with me Mr. Selvan, who is the Managing Director of the CADD Center. First of all, I want to congratulate Mr. Selvan for 25 years of the CADD Quest. I've got two questions for Mr. Selvan. Question number one, how does Mr. Selvan feels of finishing 25 years of CADD Quest? And the second question, how many students have benefited from the CADD Quest for the past 25 years? Mr. Selvan.
CADD Quest is the annual scholarship exam of CADD Center. It started way back 25 years ago. So originally CADD Center was invented to support people who want to learn from CADD Center but could not afford the CADD Center fee. So we started CADD Quest to support aspiring students with a lesser fee. They wanted to learn CAD courses, so we conduct a simple test. Based on the marks scored, we give a scholarship. More the marks, more the scholarship. So a lot of people, every year at least 5,000 to 6,000 people join the course after these exams, meaning say about 10,000 people take the test, about 60%, 50 to 60% of the people join for a course. So every year CADD Quest supports 5,000 aspiring engineers to learn CAD courses at half the price. So in the last 25 years, simply put, we would have trained more than 100,000 people. 1 lakh people would have got benefited because of CADD Quest. Today they all employed, doing very well in their career. That way CADD Quest supported more than 1 lakh engineering graduates in the last 25 years, and I'm sure it will continue for next 25 years, and we shall celebrate 50th year of CADD Quest, as we move along.
Thank you so much, Mr. Selvan. So we have seen 1 lakh people have benefited for past 25 years. So you also want to be among those in the future, right? So please go and reach out to your nearest CADD center, pick up your admit cards and do write the CADD Quest test immediately. Thank you.
Thank you.